In fact, 16 can be directly connected to this call multiplexer itself, and again we can have 8 into 4 of them, that is 32. 32 plus 16, it happens to be 48. So this can go up to 48 calling points. The calling points could be, some of them could be bed calling units, and some more can be from the toilet. So all put together it can cater to 48 calling points. That is, in case you have equal number of beds and the toilets, then you can have basically 48 divided by 2, that is 24 rooms can be connected if all the rooms have got their own toilets, independent toilets. Otherwise that also can be configured as another calling point. In case we don't have any toilet units at all, then it can be connected to 48 bed calling units. Now apart from this call multiplexer, we also have this call multiplexer is getting connected directly to the calling unit. So this is the calling unit, we call it as LBCU. Okay, so this is bed calling unit. The bed calling unit is connected to the POM switch also. So the call can be triggered either from the POM switch or from the bed calling unit. And this bed calling unit also gets connected to a corridor lamp. This will be placed just above the room door facing the corridor, so that people walking down the corridor, they can see if there is any call pending or any call is emerging from that particular room. Similarly, we also have toilet calling unit, then we also have shower unit. Toilet calling unit, shower unit are connected to this bed calling unit itself, and from the bed calling unit one Cat5 cable will directly run to this nurse call multiplexer or to another expander, okay, which is also called as NS extender. So that expander can have 8 such input points. Now this there are 16 input points on this call multiplexer itself. Like that, we can have 8 of them on every expansion port. So 8 into 4 is 32 plus these 16, it will make 48 calling points possible. Okay, so these are the several modules that are deployed here. Now the functionality can be explained in a simple way like this. The call can emerge from either the bed calling unit or from the POM switch. Now just in case a call is triggered from the bed calling unit, which will be mounted on the bedded panel, or it can be wall mounted also. Now the moment we press this call button, all that the patient has to do is simply press this call button, then the door indicator is flashing in red, and similarly the status LED also changed to red flashing. So this is in fact slow flash. Now the call processing module took this call and it is getting displayed on the monitor. On the monitor it is showing bed call. Now the nurse is supposed to acknowledge this call by pressing this mute button, in which case the voice gets suppressed and the flashing window becomes stable on the display. Now she can walk into the room and she can clear the call. Thus the call gets cleared, and now the status LED turns to amber. Similarly, the door indicator also is turning to amber. This is the idle state. So that is, there is no call pending. In that case, the door indicator will be lighting up in amber. Similarly, the status LED also will be lighting up in amber only. So both on the bed calling unit and the POM switch. Similarly, even the toilet calling unit and the shower unit also, the status indicators will be showing in amber only. Now there is another let us say another way of calling or another way of notifying to the nurse station that some attention is required, that is from the toilet. Ordinarily people will not call from the toilet, that is why it is considered to be emergency. So now if a call is made from the toilet unit, then the door indicator flashes faster, and similarly the status indicators on this toilet calling unit also flashes faster. Then at the nurse station it will say it is emergency toilet call. So now the nurse is supposed to acknowledge this call. Okay, so then again the voice gets suppressed, the flashing window becomes stable. Now the nurse can walk into this toilet area and she can clear the call. So after clearing the call, again it turns into amber, just to say it is standing by to take any further calls. Thank you.